Today, in today's video, we're gonna take a look on how to upload multiple images on Flutter without trying to type everything, without trying to type all so many images on Flutter. So just follow along with me. As you can see, I just have a project here. So these are the images that I've just uploaded. So if you just click here, you see able to close. See, there are a lot of images that I've just uploaded. So what you're gonna do is you do not need to type all the name of the image. Like for example, I find some people, if they want to type like this, for example, I find so many people, they want to type this name, they'll start typing like this and like dot png. No, you don't need to just do so. All these images, they are just about 100 images. So what you're gonna do is just simply just remove it, image slash. So here, as you can see, I'm trying to type all the images from here. I have to give their names, image slash. From here you give their name, image slash, image slash, image slash. That is how you do it. You do not need to go to your prospect, the YAML file. You see, put everything as it is. Like you have to put a very long list, copy all the name. That is waste of time. All right. So when it's like this, just put images. Represent this folder. What is inside this folder is already been taken down, been arranged by the prospect.yaml file. So you don't need to write them down again and again and again. No, you don't need to do so. So that is it. So I just have to click my prospect package get, finish, and this is the app. I'm just gonna run the app. So you can see this is the app here. Those are all the images. All of them have been uploaded there. So that is how. The first one, crisis is an opportunity, riding a dangerous wind. Crisis and opportunity, riding the dangerous wind. So guys, thank you for watching, and before I let you go, make sure you check this app on Google Play Store, because I'm gonna after this video, after I arrange, I'm gonna upload the app on Google Store. So make sure you check it out. So thank you for watching, love and share this video. Until then, see you guys.